Welcome to Catapult CMS training on user management and permissions. This is a training for administrators or developer level users. We will go over how to add a user and what permission each user level gets. To begin, log in to your Catapult CMS interface. To begin working with users, select the User tab on the top of the screen. You will see a list of all your users automatically. You can search for all users by typing into the search bar, or you can filter by site or subsite. The View By drop-down allows you to filter by user groups. Here, you can easily distinguish between site users and administrators. Before we discuss how to add and edit users, let's talk about permissions. Developers have all access to advanced features, including HTML5. They can also access the district-wide alert system and add both site users and administrators to the system. No one but Catapult members can add developers, so if you need someone upgraded to developer, you'll need to ask us. Site administrators have access to the whole site by nature. You cannot limit a site administrator to have access to only one section of the site. They also have access to the announcements and staff directory by default. For someone who is managing the site but not in your technology office, this is usually the best user group for them. Site users can be assigned to subsites and specific sections of the website. If you don't know how to create a subsite, make sure to watch our video on subsites. Each user group has access to add and edit users below their own user group. Therefore, developers can add site administrators and site users. Site administrators can only add site users, and site users can't add or edit any other users. In this view, we are showing a developer access level. To edit a user, simply search for the user and hit edit. To add a user, just hit the plus new user button. There are 3 ways to set up your login with Catapult. You can add a manual login, shown here. Note if you have a manual account and you're making a password, it's a temporary password, and they will need to add their own when they get into the system. Second, we can set up your configuration to sync with your Active Directory account. If your account is already synced, you need to make sure to keep the same username and the same naming convention as the logins on your school computers. Otherwise, it won't work. You don't need to set a password because it's already configured with AD. Finally, you can use the Google login mode. This is a toggle that can be turned on and will overwrite any other login method. If your user has Google login authentication, they will only be able to sign in with their Google account. If you would like your users to have announcement access and staff directory access, use the staff directory and announcement toggle. Finally, select which website or subsite they have access to and hit save. Thank you for watching.